Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. I will show you how to make hair clip Tsum from Walt Disney. This is the tools that I use. Let's begin now. I put some clay that I need to use in a plastic cup so that it doesn't dry. Let's take the black color clay, knead it first to condition it, and make a round flat shape. The second red color clay is the same method as the black one. I use a strip of aluminum for cutting the clay because it's flexible. Then cut 1/4 of red round clay and put glue on it. After that, attach it together with black round flat clay. Take the skin color clay, knead it with your finger and press it a bit to make it round. You can use scissors to cut the clay to make the pattern of Mickey Mouse face. Using fondant tools to soften each of the edge of the face. Put some glue and attach it on the black round clay. I'm using fondant tools for marking the eyes and nose. Take a little bit of black clay and pinch it a bit to make 3 small round shapes. Then put some glue on it. And then attach the small round clay on eyes and nose. After that, take a small black clay to form a round shape. Using fondant tools to make it like C shape, then attach it together using glue. Press it gently to soften the surface. I put some water on it to make the surface smooth. Then, using carving tools to soften it. If the clay is too dry, put some water and knead it using your finger. This will make the clay too soft and moist again. Repeat the method like the first ear. You can dip the carving tool a bit into water and stroke it gently to make the surface smoother. Now make a small round white clay, put some glue and attach it under the body. Keep repeating the method until it finishes. Take a little bit of black clay and roll it into a tiny long clay. By using glue, attach it on the back for making a tail. I use chalk pastel for giving blush on Mickey cheek by using cotton bud. Finally, put uhu glue to attach on the hair clip. Now we proceed of making Minnie Mouse hair clip. Take the red clay and make it round and flat it. Take another clay and using roller, roll it until it's thin. Pleat it so that it forms a skirt and attach it on the red flat round clay. Cut the excess of the skirt by using scissors. You can condition the clay by keep kneading it using your finger. Using a strip of aluminium, cut 1/4 of the skirt body and glue it together. Then cut again the excess body. Making the face of Minnie Mouse is the same tutorial like the first one. Repeat the same method by marking and glue the small round clay on the face. I'm using snowman pen to draw the eyelashes. Don't afraid to draw it. If you make mistake, you can wipe it out using wet tissue. Again, repeat the method of putting Minnie ear. Smooth it using fondant tools. You can follow me on Instagram at @clayblessing, and please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified whenever I put new videos. Take a small red clay and roll it. Shape it using a strip of aluminium, marking it to get ribbon shapes. Glue the ribbon shape and put it on the head near ears. Using fondant tools to make it neat. Attach hand and feet by glue it under the body. Put another yellow clay under the feet. Using red chalk pastel, give blast on Minnie face. I'm using white acrylic paint to draw the round dot on the ribbon. Make a few small round white clay and glue it on the skirt. Then attach it on the hair clip using uhu glue. Or you can use any other glue that is strong enough. Now the hair clip Tsum Tsum has finished. I hope you guys enjoy it. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to make minion ring. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.